I am back with a bang, and this time it's none other than Nashville hot chicken tenders. And by God, this is a tender to remember. It is absolutely beautiful, gorgeous and delicious. It will bring the zing to your life. Let's make it then. So first of all, I've got buttermilk, hot sauce, garlic granules, aromat or chicken powder. Then I've got paprika and some flaked chili or chili flakes. Give it a good mix. Then we've got about 20 odd massive chicken tenders. You can use smaller ones. Give it a good mix and you can leave it overnight or about bare minimum 2 hours. This is my homemade seasoned flour, which I'll be sharing the recipe with you. I have added about half a cup of potato starch or cornstarch. You can add either way. Give it a good massage with this tender. You can coat it twice. I have done it only once. Now the trick is once it's slightly golden brown, about 5 minutes in the frying, just take it out, leave it to cool down. And in the meantime, I'm preparing the sauce, which is going to top it up, the beautiful glaze. Then I have refried for another 3 minutes. It's crispy, crunchy, lovely. And then I've given it a good dip in that sauce. It's ready to be shoved into your mouth. Go and make it and let me know.